Alright, this one's gonna be a quick one. We're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna start off with the lever closed, and then we're gonna open it up about halfway, fade up some more, then open it up all the way, fade it up some more. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it if you smash that like button, turn it blue, and also subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be posting more. Let's go. Grab your number one, start to blend again, fade up just a little bit at a time, open up the lever about halfway, just like we did a minute ago, fade up, use your corners if you need to, open it up all the way, fade that 1.5 all the way into that 2 that we have on the sides, and then there it is right there. Come back and do the edge up. Make sure not to cut too much into that C cup, because then the regrowth will look ugly when it starts to grow back. Balled out the bottom just to make it pop out. Detail as needed, and that's about it. Quick little taper. I did the same thing on the other side in the back. It came out really good. Client liked it. Thank y'all for watching.